Hey fellas, we have the fake Makita battery, 5.5 amps, boil 18 feet, it's 3 amps, 5.5 amps, and it's just not doing anything, so I will open it. Okay, what can you see? It's most cheapest battery BMS here. Okay, it have a lot of dust. So, what can be the problems here? And with the cheap batteries it can be a lot of problems starting from cells, and we can see that we have no balancing here, so basically that's really not good. Okay, let's try to measure some voltage. Okay, the battery pack shows 14.28, so that's not completely dead but still dead. Okay, 1.1, 1.1. Okay, let's try it at this one. 1.9, I think. Oh, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, and 3.8. Yeah. So we have these two cells basically dead, and the simple reason here we have the negative here and have the positive here connected. And what can we do in this situation? Probably it's best way to replace them. Basically we know nothing about them. Okay, I need to charge my spot welder and prepare some cells. Okay, spot welder is charging, so in that time I will disconnect the wires, I think, all the cells, and basically this wire will be needed to disconnect, and that's all. I will just change the strip because it's just the one strip going down. Just turn up my soldering iron. Okay, got it hot now. Okay, and here's my pliers. Okay, this is disconnected, and I will disconnect the red wire here. And I think it's just one strip going like that. I have to just check it a little bit. It's okay. Yep, just a one strip. So what I will do here, I will try to disconnect it from here and from here. What can I say? They are spot welded really hard. Okay, so we have the positive up. I have nice unpowered cells. Okay. Now what I needed is the hashtag. I think this one will be perfect here. And let's check. We need to weld it like that. So first I will catch this ones. Oh no, it's not charged. Yeah, I need to wait a little bit more. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, this time it catches it good. Now we need to catch the new cells. Okay, hope I got them good. Now there's my nickel strip. You can just check that we need something like that. I can cut it at any time. Oh, sorry, I'm not seeing that. I'm almost out of the camera. Okay. So now we need to solder it. And the other thing, what I will be needed to do here, I will be needed to balance it. It's fucking hot. Okay, looks nice. And catching the small red wire here. Can't see if I catch it. Yep, catch it. Okay. Now the lights goes on, and we need to measure the voltage. on itself. And okay, here we have the 4.8. Here we have the 3.87, and here we have 3.87. So we need to balance these ones, and for the balancing I will be needed to solder the wires here or catch the nickel strips, and yeah, and that will be it. So just balancing left for this one, simple as that. For you, thank you for watching. It's your favorite, just use self that. The balancing is easy part. If you want to know more about self balancing, let me know in the comments and I will make video about that. For now, press thumbs up and bye.